Hi, this is Daredevil Explorer and my name is Ali Reza. I'm standing in the heart of Qamsar, a small town of Kashan in Iran, which is known for its beautiful roses and traditional art of rosewater extraction. I'm here to show you the process of rosewater extraction. Stay with me. Before that, subscribe and press the bell button to receive every new video. By the way, the best time to see this ritual is in mid-spring, while Mohammadi flowers can be seen in flower fields of Kashan. During these days, the scent of the red rose perfume intoxicates travelers. Mohammadi flower has been one of the most important agricultural products of Iran since ancient time. Also, rosewater productions has been one of the most important export goods of this region. This product in the past was transported to India and China through Silk Road, and today a considerable portion of it is exported to other parts of the world. The history of planting Mohammadi flowers seeds in Iran dates back to around 7,000 years ago. Also, it has been almost 1,000 years since rosewater extraction has been carried out in this region using traditional methods. Although there are modern and advanced tools for extracting essences from fragrant plants and flowers, traditional method is still prevalent here. For this ritual, Mohammadi flower is needed. The best time of the day to pick them is during the first hours of the day before direct sunlight. After direct sunlight, the flowers may wilt a little and affect the quality of the rose water obtained from them. Rosewater extraction is one of the most famous traditional practices among Iranians. It began in the past in Fars province, and now a considerable part of it is carried out in Kashan and its surrounding areas, Qamsar, Niasar and Barzak. This traditional ceremony, which is done with a special gratitude, has a unique atmosphere due to taking place in spring season while Mohammadi flowers are blossoming. Among other cities and villages around Kashan, the city of Qamsar holds the most famous rosewater extraction festival. This industry in this city has become a phenomenon alongside the tourist attractions of Kashan. The method of making rosewater from Mohammadi flowers using traditional distillation is one of the ancient arts of Iranians. Prominent Iranian scientists such as Avicenna made great efforts to extract medicinal essences from various plants using distillation in the past. In this method, a specific amount of rose petals and a certain amount of water are poured into a copper cauldron, or let's say copper steel, and a copper lid is placed on top of it and is tightly secured with chains attached to it. There are holes on the lid of the steel that connect it to copper handled steel through two aluminum tubes. The steam resulting from distilling the contents of the steel is directed through these tubes into a copper-handled steel and is converted into liquid. The traditional method of extracting rosewater takes between 5 and 8 hours. To make 40 liters of rosewater, different amount of flowers ranging from 12 to 30 kilograms is used. There is a kind of rosewater named double fire. It is a type of pure rosewater produced by repeating the rosewater extraction process. In this method, rosewater is added to the copper steel instead of water, and the distillation process is carried out twice. The properties of rosewater are perfumed, antidepressant, heart and nerve tonic, soothing, and calming. The last is why it is used in morning ceremonies. Other products from Mohammadi flowers include its essence used in perfume industry, dried rose petals used for embellishments, dried rosebud that has anti-Alzheimer properties, rose oil and rose syrup. In the past, after the completion of rosewater distillation, the rose petal residue was compacted into a shape and then stored. This was a common practice in traditional rosewater production, as it allowed for easier storage and transportation of the residue. Then it was used as fuel for the upcoming winter, the next year's rosewater distillation, and as firewood for baking bread. Additionally, it was used as food for livestock, whose milk and meat were not suitable for consumption.
یک آبی همراه با توفاله تاییدی پیونه. این آب همین هست. ما بچه که بودیم این آب رو میرفتیم از گلابگیرای محل میگرفتیم، روی فلز زایاتی از جنس آهن میریختیم و در معرض نور و حرارت خورشید قرار میدادیم. یکی دو ماهی که صبر میکردیم این آب کاملا خشک میشد، یک رسوباتی رو اینها میموند. این رسوبات رو میتراشیدیم. این همون تراشه ها هسته که به صورت پودر میشد. یه مقدار این پودر رو توی یک شیشه میکردیم، گلاب به عنوان حلال اضافه میکردیم. هر که میشد مرکبی میشد که میبردیم مدرسه، باهاش خوشنویسی میکردیم و یا مشق شب. من خودم در سن 10-11 سالگی هم این مرکب رو خودم تولید کردم و هم باهاش مشق شب نوشتم.
In addition to rosewater, other plant extracts such as mint, fennel, thyme, chamomile, and others are also produced in Qamsar.
ما در فروشگاه نگین قمصر هستیم. همینطور که میبینید عرقیات گیاهی که 50 تا 60 مدل هستن، فصل به فصل هر کدوم و عصاره گیریش رو انجام میدیم.
Thank you for watching this video on rosewater extraction in Qamsar. We hope you found this process interesting and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. And if you want to stay updated on our latest videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.